cooking in the house with Brendo. Today, we're gonna make some lamb chops. The best way to do lamb chops, I think, is with Montreal seasoning. We've used Montreal seasoning all my life and it makes some killer meat. Alright, the first thing we want to do is lather up these babies with some olive oil. Yum! Now that these lamb chops are all oiled up, we're gonna shake our seasoning on it. These babies are ready for the grill. Hey guys, our barbecue's ready for the meat. Let's add it. Yum! We're gonna cook these babies for about 20 minutes. See you later. Hey guys, our lamb is about done. Let's take it off the barbecue. Yum! Those are some killin' looking chops. Hey guys, our meat is ready to cut. Let's do it! Man, now those are some of the best looking chops I've ever seen. See you guys later.